Hi everyone, Sharon here. I'm making it's green clover and aloe from Nature's Garden. This is and I'm also using coconut milk instead of water, 100% or full water, and it's full coconut milk. I may be in a hurry here. This is, of course, the coconut milk was frozen, so it's quite a bit colder than the oils. So I'm hoping it'll go okay. Anyway, here it goes. I think I'm ready. Awfully thick when you do this milk, so I think I'm doing 7%, and I got some babasu oil. First time I've tried that. I just replaced the palm kernel oil flakes that I had been using. I replaced it with this, and I ran it through soap calc, and I did 7%, which normally I do 5%. This was pretty high in, boy, that was pretty high in conditioning, so I thought I'd make it more of a beauty bar. I've only used this fragrance oil one other time. I really like the scent. It's really a clean, soapy scent. Really like it. Can't remember how it acted, so I'm hoping okay. Kind of doing a lot of different things here, so I won't know what went wrong if it goes wrong. Oh, let's see, I got, it's going to do kind of half and half. I hope it pours okay. Or not half and half, maybe a third and 2/3, I'm not sure. Anyway, it's going to be, the bottom half's going to be pale green, I hope. And the top part white with green jojoba beads in it. That's my plan, anyway. Does smell good. Go ahead and do it. I'd like it to set up just a little bit. I've had the jojoba beads for quite a while. I just happened to think of them today, so hope this works out. Didn't make very much. maybe the fragrance oil was a little bit yellowed, but so far so good. Let's see. Put just a teaspoon in. Looks about right. Try to pour this over the top of the spatula. See, I'm not usually very coordinated, so put it over here. We'll see. I broke through a little bit, but it doesn't make that much difference. This fragrance oil is really nice to work with. Looking forward to the Ohio Sweepers Gathering. They started the registration. It's supposed to be the middle of May in Strongsville, Ohio, which is up by Cleveland. Usually a lot of fun. And then they have some nice demonstrations. You'll learn a lot. We have Nature's Garden here in Ohio, and Wholesale Supplies Plus. Usually the ones from Essential Depot come too. So it's